guys, welcome to my channel, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. I am getting ready to head inside of Burkes Outlet, and you guys can come along with me and shop out of the comfort of your home without leaving your home. So I want to thank all of those that have subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of those have subscribed to my channel. Thank you. And the ones that have not subscribed, I'm asking you at this time, please click on that subscribe button. I'm new to this channel and I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And you can make that possible. So I'm asking you to help me by hitting that subscribe button. Okay, now we are entering into the store. $49.99. $19.99. It's nice. That's $39.99. $12.99. $29.99. thing is heavy. $24.99. $24.99. Like 10. It's like $12.99. $12.99. This is lightweight, in case if you're wondering. Good idea is to DIY this and spray paint it gold. They do have two. $14.99. Guys, I'm showing you this believe sign because I believe that you guys is going to be kind enough to click on that subscribe button. Go to YouTube, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And I'm asking you guys to do not skip through this video, because once you watch this video, if you watch it to the end, I do get credit for this. So please don't skip through any of my videos, but if you have to, it's better for you to watch part of it than none at all. So just want to let you know that, just in case if you did not know, do not skip through the video. Just let it play. Let it play. If you're not listening to it, just let it play. That way I can bring you more of these videos like this with your support. And I hope you guys are enjoying these beautiful decors. And if you see anything you like, don't forget to come on out here now and get it. I'm at the Burkes Outlet on University Drive near Mid-City, out where the Madison Square Mall used to be, not too far from that. They do have a big collection of candles. I don't have time to smell any of these today, but maybe I'll come back one day and just do a smell test for you, and you'll have some type of idea of what they smell like. I think I do want to sample this one. And guys, it smells so good. It's only $4.99. Oh, that smells good. And same one. It don't smell that good to me. Black rose. Smell okay. I know I said I didn't have time to smell them, but just want to smell a few of them for you. That smells so. I don't like it. One more, and we're going to move on. That smells very light. Okay, for those that have subscribed to my channel, thank you. I appreciate that. And the ones that have not subscribed yet, or if this is your first time, please click on that subscribe button just to show me some support. I'm striving for 1,000 subscribers. And I'm new to this channel. This is my second week. And hopefully I can continue to bring to you guys videos that you can enjoy. But in order for me to do that, I need you guys to support me. Because I'm bringing you inside these stores, and you can shop without leaving the comfort of your home. That's my main goal, is to allow you guys to shop without leaving the comfort of your home. I hate when I can't find a price. Oh, here we go. $39.99. Let's go see what kind of pillows they have. $7.99. Okay, guys, once again, I thank you for hanging out with me. Tuesday morning of a lot of pumpkins. I'm sorry, I'm at Burkes Outlet. They have a lot of pumpkins. And once again, guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm just going to pan around because I believe my batteries are about to go out. So just want to let you guys see a quick scan. $29.99. Once again, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville. I enjoyed hanging out with you guys. You can shop in the comfort of your home without leaving it. And I will see you in the future. Bye-bye.